Hey, where you going? King Parrot returned. There it is. Just flew in. And I was looking a bit about them, and it says that the green ones are, I think, the females, and the red ones are the males. Very, very nice. So I'll see if it does anything. It's a little bit timid, this one. I don't think it's been here before. So it hasn't really jumped down. It's waiting to jump down to the silver beet in the middle there, and then it comes over and something else has been getting into the cabbage and cauliflower. Well, here it goes. Here it goes. It's going to do something. Yeah, are you getting high? You're going to fly away. Aren't you going to come in for a snack? That's funny, it's just climbing on it. Look at this nice red underneath. Wow. That's such a nice looking red. Pretty long too. It's longer than a school ruler. I'll see if it does anything. I'll pause it. I crouched down a bit. It seemed to like it a little bit better. Yeah, you can see it's underneath pretty good. Wow. Nice visitor. Let's see if it goes in for a snack. Here it goes, it's going to do something. It just made a little noise and said g'day. And it's looking at the silver beet. It's eyeing it off. See it looking down. Yeah, hello. See, it talks English. Amazing. I'll wait until it flies down. It just flew away in the distance. It just flew away. When they fly, they go droop, droop. They look really cool when they fly. Oh well. That was a short one. Not short for me because I was sitting here for about 10 minutes, but it didn't want to come down, drop down. Must have been a newie. Alright, see you later. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.